It is said that we humans spend 1/3 of our life sleeping, and this is enough to testify how essential sleeping is. So that's the reason why, guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you 9 of the many wonderful things which is happening when you are sleeping. But guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to healthexcel YouTube channel, make sure to do so, and in the process ring the little bell icon as well to never miss any of our advanced cutting edge health information. Right then, sleeping is not a waste of time at all, but sleeping is non-negotiable biological necessity. Without it, it is fatal to us. Sleep truly is a big gift to us from nature. So guys, first benefit sleep has to offer is it will increase our memory. Why? So when we are sleeping, our brain neuroplasticity increases, or synapses in our brain increases, which makes our neuron to connect each other better, which thereby lead to sharp memory. And yeah, sleep is like a save button. Just like in your computer, when you're done with any file, you press save. So is the sleep for your memory. It is like a save button. Without it, your memory will suffer very badly. So getting good quality sleep for your memory, that's number 1. Moving on. Number 2 is it will greatly help us with anti-aging. Why? So guys, it's been studied that the people who are not getting enough sleep, who are sleep deprived, they are physically 10 years older than the people who are getting enough sleep. So getting sleep for anti-aging, guys, that's another big thing to consider. Right then. So the third one is it will reduce the chance of getting heart attack. Why? Right, again, it's been studied that the people who are not getting enough sleep are more likely to get heart attack, to get any cardiovascular event, than who are sleeping well. So getting good quality sleep, that's another reason. Moving on. Number 4 is, again guys, it will reduce the chance of getting stroke. So people who are not sleeping well, they are less, or they are more likely to get stroke. So getting sleep to prevent stroke, that's another big thing. Moving on. Number 5, guys, sleep will help us balance those hormones. Why? Because when we are sleeping, it is seen that our hormone seems to get in balance. Okay, so getting good quality sleep for balancing hormone, that's another big thing. Moving on. The next one is sleep helps depression. Guys, if you're someone who is feeling depressed, who is always under stress, so guys, getting good quality sleep will greatly help. Right then. So the next one is sleep will help us with our recovery. Guys, whether it be recovering from any rigorous exercise or from any injury, from any wound healing or anything like that, guys, sleep is the thing which will speed up the things for recovery. So getting good quality sleep for recovering, that's another big thing. Moving on, guys, number 8 is sleep will help us strengthen our immune system. Why? Because when we are sleeping, our immune system, our immune activity goes higher. And it's also been seen that the people who are deprived of sleep, who are not sleeping enough, are more likely to get any infection, to get any viral, fungal, bacterial infection. They are more likely to get that. So guys, getting good quality sleep for our immune system, that's another big thing. Moving on, guys, last but not the least, guys, sleep will prevent cancer. Oh yes, guys, why? Again, people who did not sleep well, who are deprived of sleeping, for them risk of cancer goes way up. So guys, getting good quality sleep will greatly reduce chance of getting various sort of cancer. So that's reason number 9. And now guys, ideally I would say you should sleep around 7 to 9 hours each day. Okay, 7 to 9 hours each day. So that's ideally. And if you are not sleeping enough, you are more likely to develop many serious ailment, many serious disease. So getting good quality sleep is again so essential for us. There you have it, guys. And that's all. And these are 9 of the many wonderful things happens when you are sleeping enough. And guys, if you found this video helpful, guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and haven't shared this video to anyone, guys, make sure to share this video to your friends, family, relative, to each and everyone, because all those people need to know 9 of the many wonderful things which is happening when they are sleeping. And meantime, guys, do tell me which one of these has surprised you the most. At the same time, have got any question, suggestion, interrogation, do ask me in the comments below. I'd love to talk to you down in the comment section, so make sure to connect me there. And meantime, guys, haven't subscribed to healthexcel YouTube channel, make sure to do so, and in the process ring the little bell icon as well, because I'm coming with more such health videos which you don't wanna miss. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time ahead, and yeah, have a good